So, we are here at Ikea for the third time. Well, this is our second time in Ikea here. Because we were in the original flagship. Yeah. You didn't know that?
We were not.
No. Listen. Listen here. The Ikea store, that's the U.S. flagship store.
In North Carolina.
Yes.
I'm looking this up right now.
You can. Because I know for a fact. I could have sworn.
I know for a fact. I could have sworn.
No, I could have sworn it was the flagship store. Or just a really big store. I don't know. But we're going to go into Ikea real quick. Courtney's going to look up and prove me wrong, probably.
I can't see.
We need to get the information. I need to find out if it's true.
It doesn't have a flagship store.
What?
But its first store opened in Stockholm in 1965. It was a Swedish store.
Yeah, it's still a big store though. Alright, never mind.
We're buying candy.
What?
I'm buying their candy.
Ah.
I don't like your meatballs.
What?
I don't like their meatballs. I don't like Swedish meatballs.
Really?
No, do you?
They have different things there.
No, I know that. I'm just saying, like, I don't like Swedish meatballs.
How do you not like the Swedish meatballs?
Do you?
I do.
I just don't like the gravy on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Look, there's a bed for you.
Shut up.
It's a
Just
bed
because
for
I
you.
can fit in it doesn't mean it's a bed for me.
It's a bed for you. Oh, look, there's a bed. Right there.
I smell smells.
What do you mean?
I smell smells.
What do you smell?
Very thin pillow.
Well, it's probably like a it's probably like one of those.
Oh yeah, it's me and Bracken doing that. But